Hi everyone, here we've got REALME 7i and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, so of course I will show you both options. Let's begin with the secret code, so let's open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. Let's tap on the keypad if you're not on it and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as I said, by this code we are provided with device information, the IMEI info and serial number just pops out. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another code. The way to check the numbers. So just enter the settings. Here we have to find about phone. Let's tap on it. And we have to tap on the status. As you can see here, we've got IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and under it we've got the serial number of this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your REALME 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.